Right, let's get to the exciting stuff, a bit more of the bling, which is the OSPW, which, for in layman's terms, the oversized pulley wheel system.
Sure.
Visually, they're like full bling,
Sure.
like they look great. And I've always questioned sort of stock pulleys, and the ones that come on a derailleur, I mean, it doesn't take long for you to have to pull one out and spin it, and they're almost rigid.
Sure.
And yet they seem like such a flimsy kind of crappy part of the whole system.
Sure.
So why do the manufacturers not see value in trying to uprate that part of the derailleur?
I think they are. Like you see the new transmission drivetrains now are getting, and the new stuff that's come out on the road, it's all increased in size. And if you look even on the SRAM
T-type
product pages, it'll say like larger pulley wheels for efficiency, period. No science or what, just, yep. It's kind of like, I think it's more accepted now. But regarding your question about, why maybe some of the original equipment stuff is just more basic. I mean, the product managers have to hit a price point. So
yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. I guess it would push the price up for quite significantly, I'm sure.
Yeah, sure.
And what sort of pricing are we talking for one of those?
Well, from us, I mean, you're going to look at, depending on the market, it's going to be around 500.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah. With our bearings, etc.
Unless you're racing, is there a good reason to buy one? Sure. Yeah, of course. There we go. The reason I asked that is that I know with the T-type, for example, the cage does feel like it's become quite a sacrificial part of the system.
Yeah, good point.
It's how do I explain? Any T-type drivetrain I've used, it hasn't taken long before it started to feel like this thing's skipping. And it's usually because the cage has perhaps slightly gone out of alignment. You did warranty before, so you can speak on that.
Yeah, so the new cage that we did is way stronger.
Okay.
And it's stronger, and it can like have a bit of give to it, so it can deflect anything that hits it.
Well, anything.
Anything.
Yeah. And then with the new T-type, as you can hear, I'm working R&D, so it's a lot of tech stuff. So we made a new system to clean out the bearings while riding e-edr, active debris removal. So we have some fins on the system with some shims and stuff, dust covers, and it raised one of the most like grueling stage races, Cape Epic, like a 7-stage race. And the mechanics didn't do service on the pulley wheels once.
ADR, active debris removal.
Yep.
How does that work?
Well, it's spinning. It's pushing the debris away from the bearing.
Okay, so it's a centrifugal
thing.
Yeah.
It's like in R&D they were calling them grooves, remover grooves. That was the working term.
I had a push plow.
That was very brief. It didn't stick around.
No.
Yeah, ADR. But
I can imagine the whiteboard of you.
But basically, as you're turning the pulley wheels, it's repelling debris away from the bearing. So we've got it patented, and we'll see where we decide to use it in the future.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe on the way out, and look out for more episodes of the EMCB podcast coming very soon.